This contains 20 grams of protein and 300 calories. This means cheese not only contains more protein, but it is lower in calories as compared to paneer. Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video is going to be quick but helpful about what to buy at the supermarket if you are into the fitness lifestyle. So let's begin. The first product is plain Greek yogurt. Whenever you buy the Greek yogurt, do not go for the flavored ones as they contain unnecessary sugar and they are lower in protein generally. Whereas if you purchase this one, you can yourself add some 0-calorie sweetener to it. The next product is cheese. Now most people who are not into the fitness lifestyle think that cheese will make them fat. But when you flip over, you can see that this almost has 25 grams of protein per 100 grams in just 300 calories. This is because this is mozzarella cheese, so it's lower in fat. So you just need to pick the right variety of cheese. Not all cheese will make you fat. Compare the mozzarella cheese to the paneer, which is a regular in the Indian bodybuilding. This contains 20 grams of protein and 300 calories. This means cheese not only contains more protein, but it is lower in calories as compared to paneer. Next is tofu, which is a highly neglected source of protein in India. But before that, let's talk about this cheese sauce. Now, this is not a low-calorie sauce by any means, since this contains around 25 calories per tablespoon and around 1.5 grams of protein and also some calcium. So it's way better than other fatty dressings such as mayonnaise and Thousand Island. Coming back to the tofu, it depends on the brand that you choose and the accuracy of the nutrition label. It anywhere contains around 10 to 15 grams of protein depending on the company. This contains 10 grams of protein per 100 grams, whereas this one contains 15 grams of protein per 100 grams, and both cost the same. There are some other varieties of tofu in the Indian market as well, which contain roughly the same amount of protein but are more expensive. So always study the nutrition label and make a wise decision. If you are someone who likes consuming energy drinks, then there's a wide variety for you all from the same company. But the problem is that these are loaded with sugar. So if you're someone who's trying to lose weight, you should not consume them as these are liquid calories, very easy to ingest. Rather go for the sugar-free version as this has only 3 calories per 100 ml, whereas the normal version has 45 calories per 100 ml. Let's talk about milk now. For better clarity, let's compare milk from the same company. One is skim milk, that is without any fat, and the other one is normal standardized milk. The standardized milk has 75 calories per 100 ml and only 3 grams of protein. Whereas if you compare this to skim milk, you can see that skim milk has more protein and half the calories. So if you're someone who's trying to lose fat or even lead a healthy lifestyle in general, highly recommend you switch over to double toned milk if not skim milk. But if you're trying to gain weight, go for regular milk or even full cream milk. Not all items need to be specific to bodybuilding. Here is tomato puree. Now of course you can mash potatoes at home and use it in your recipes, but this is very convenient. Only 30 calories per 100 gram. How can you go wrong with this? It can be used to prepare delicious recipes such as pastas and other gravies. Why would you like to eat your food bland? Speaking of tomatoes, here is baked beans in a tomato sauce. For 90 calories, you're getting 5 grams of protein and 4 grams of fiber. Quite good. Currently being sold at less than 100 rupees per tin. Highly recommend you add them, especially if you're a vegetarian. Let's talk about sauces and condiments because this is what will make you stick to your diet. We have talked about them in the past videos as well, but a detailed video is pending. Make sure you comment down below if you want a detailed video on low calorie sauces. If you're going for Viva sauces, then there are 3 sauces which are less than 15 calories per tablespoon. Vinaigrette is the sweet one, Bhut Jolokia is the spicy one, and pizza and pasta marinara. If you're not a big coffee lover, then you do not need to invest in these higher end coffees. You can go with basic Nescafe sachets that comes around 2 rupees per serve or even just basic brew. However, I love coffee and I have it multiple times a day. Here is my favorite coffee, Davidoff Creme. You can go with any other variant or even Nescafe Gold. Here is the world famous red pepper sauce, Tabasco sauce, which is 0 calories per serve. It is currently being sold at a very good price of just 120 rupees per bottle. If you want cheaper alternatives for same, there are some Indian brands such as Dabur and Fun Foods which produce red pepper sauce which is similar to this. Multigrain tortilla wraps can be used to prepare filling wraps which are full of vegetables and a lean protein source, as well as some low calorie sauces for taste. Around just 150 calories per wrap, you cannot go wrong with this. Unsweetened soy milk is a good source of protein, and if you live in India, then you can definitely add this if you are a vegan or lactose intolerant, because nut milks in India are very expensive. This has around 3 grams of protein for 30 calories, and no, it won't mess up your hormones if you're a man. Here are some multigrain chips which claim to be high in protein and high in dietary fiber. Of course, they are better than Lay's and other varieties, but if you're thinking you'll make it a major meal of your diet, then you're highly mistaken. These are good only if you make it as a snack or you pair it along with a main meal which is high in protein and high in micronutrients. Some corn puffs, which is not the healthiest option but is a high volume snack. Struggling to make your meals delicious while on a fat loss diet? Try adding these, just 15 to 20 calories per packet. Ghee, one of the healthiest fats in the Indian kitchen, but it is one of the most calorie dense items on the planet. Around 150 calories for just 1 tablespoon. If you're trying to lose weight, use it sparingly, but if you're trying to gain weight, this is your best friend. Some cheesy garlic bread seasoning. Even though it might sound like it will make you fat, but it is just like any other seasoning, containing around 15 to 20 calories per tablespoon. Szechuan stir fry sauce from a popular brand. This is a good option if you're trying to saute your vegetables or your lean protein to give it a good taste. It has around 100 calories per 100 gram, but that's not where it ends. We'll now compare Szechuan chutney from the same brand. This has around 200 calories per 100 gram. Pretty sure one won't be able to notice the difference, especially when it's used in the recipe. Some zero-calorie sodas which help you a lot while you're trying to lose weight, since they help you fight sugar cravings and also fill your stomach up. And no, they won't give you cancer. Just 1 or 2 servings per day is harmless for most people, unless you're suffering from some gut issues. Please don't trust the studies which tell you regular sodas which are filled with sugar is better than zero-calorie sodas. If you don't want to consume sodas for some reason, we understand, but please stay hydrated for weight loss. Here is some mint chutney which goes well with Indian cuisine, and it's very cheap as well. Just 66 calories per 100 gram. That means for 1 tablespoon, it's around 10 calories only. You can even prepare this at home. No added sugar ketchup, which tastes exactly like regular ketchup but contains 1/4 of the calories. Subscribe to our channel if you want such helpful videos in future, and turn on that bell icon to stay updated. And do share this video with a friend who's struggling with their health goals. And if you learned something valuable, please do not forget to give it a like and share your feedback by dropping a comment. Thank you for watching.